they'll blink. And the male flies up. And he blinks.
Mm-hmm.
And if he's close enough to a female, she'll blink back.
Oh, that is cool.
And then he blinks. And then she blinks back. So it's like Marco Polo.
Uh-huh. Oh, sweet.
Got it?
Yeah, I think I got a good shot of it too. Sometimes they really move away, you know. Other times they're just floating.
Walk slowly and just home in, because you have to kind of anticipate, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we know there's like 3 right here in front of it.
Yeah, I'm like a little kid. It's hard for me to stalk them. I just want to run right up.
Oh, you think it's better?
No,
No.
there's no rhyme or reason to it. I haven't really perfected a method. Here we go. Wait, there we go.
You want me to get a flashlight?
No, I got one in the car, but we don't need one. Look, I caught 2. They're little buggers. Hold that, would you? Just hold her steady. Come on. It's hard on the little buggers. See, that's his abdomen. He had a bad night.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
You just sat here and murdered like 2 lightning bugs in front of us.
It's more fun killing mosquitoes, you know? Much more fun.
More fun.